Is your Ford Fusion key fob from 2017 to 2019 not working? First, confirm the issue is likely the battery. Common signs include the remote failing to lock or unlock doors, start the car remotely, or activate the panic alarm. Before replacing it, try moving closer to the vehicle, as range can be affected by interference. To open the fob, locate the small notch or seam, usually marked with a triangle, on the fob's edge. Use a small, plastic flathead screwdriver or a keyring tool, often included with new batteries, to gently pry the case open. Insert the tool into the notch and twist gently to separate the halves. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools, as this can damage the plastic or short-circuit the electronics. If the case is stuck, try warming the fob slightly to soften any adhesive. Be patient and apply even pressure to prevent cracking the case. Now we'll cover replacing the battery and troubleshooting any issues. Once the case is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note its orientation with the positive side up before removing it. The Ford Fusion key fob typically uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. A CR2025 is also compatible. Install the new battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob by attempting to lock or unlock the doors from a short distance. If the remote still doesn't work, ensure the battery is new and properly installed. If problems persist, the contacts inside the fob might be corroded. In rare cases, the fob may need to be reprogrammed by a Ford dealer. Also, consider using the Ford Pass app as a potential alternative to the physical key fob. Dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly at a recycling center.